If you are a YouTube creator and you are coming across this problem in the YouTube studio and you don't know why you can't trim or cut or add audio to your videos, this is a quick temporary fix. Please let me know in the comments if you know a better way, but I hope this helps for now. So go to the languages section of your video and you will see that YouTube is trying to process all of these individual captions in different languages. What I found is if you delete all of these languages, it will allow you to add audio and add music. As mentioned before, this is just a temporary fix, and I hope that we can find a better option, but this is all that I was able to find. So once you have deleted all of those languages, for now, refresh the page, and you'll see they're gone. And then also go back to the editor section and refresh as well. Of course, this is not a good option if you did want to allow subtitles in all of those different languages, but because I'm just starting out on YouTube, I'm just going to do this quick temporary fix until I can figure out a better method later on. Let me know if this worked for you. I hope that this can help someone else.